Hello, dear students. Today we are going to talk about health services around the world. Open your books at page 61. Exercise 1. Look at the pictures, the title, and the headings. What do you think the texts are about?
The texts are about the Royal Flying Doctors Service of Australia and the health trains of Kazakhstan.
Now let's get acquainted with new words. Listen to them and write down in your vocabularies.
Care, community, equipment, essential, isolation, medical, patient, provide, remote, solution, unique, vast.
Now let's listen, read, and watch the video.
Health services around the world. In big countries, it can be difficult to get medical care to people living in isolated areas. In Australia, they have the problem of providing health care to people of the Australian outback. The Royal Flying Doctors Service of Australia, or RFDSA for short, started in 1928. Today, it offers healthcare from an aeroplane 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. The doctors are ready at any time to fly out to remote farms and communities to treat patients, sometimes with only basic equipment. Also, they often have to fly patients to the nearest hospital. The brave doctors of the RFDSA save hundreds of lives every year. Living in the remote communities of northern Kazakhstan means almost complete isolation for many people. Villages are hundreds of kilometers away from a city. The Health Train program started in 2011 just for these people. Now, 3 specially designed trains travel around northern Kazakhstan, providing medical care to people living out on the steppe. This program has changed the lives of many people living in rural Kazakhstan. Do you know other places with special health services? Are they like the Flying Doctors or health trains?
Exercise 2. You are to read the text again and answer the questions. Where is the RFDSA? The RFDSA is in Australia. When did it start? The RFDSA started in 1928. Which people do health trains help? The health trains help people living in the remote communities of northern Kazakhstan. How many health trains are there? There are 3 health trains. Exercise 3. How have the 2 health services changed the lives of the people in the 2 countries?
The RFDSA in Australia and the health trains in Kazakhstan give people in isolated areas access to medical care. They probably feel safer and less afraid because they know they will get help in an emergency and that the services will take them to hospital if they need.
Your task is exercise 4. You are to collect information about other health services in our country or in other countries. Think about name, who the service helps, what the service does. You are to write a short text. Look at the example.
The National Rural Health Mission boat ambulances helps people in 40 villages in the state of Madhya Pradesh in India, as well as some parts of Gujarat and Maharashtra. They provide emergency care and transportation for people in remote villages. They help sick people and pregnant women to get to hospital.